Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
During summer, when we want to relax, we crave for something that is chilled. So here is a very simple recipe for cold cocoa or chocolate milkshake. You can call it whatever you like. So the first thing that I've done, I've taken around 50 grams of dark chocolate, added 3 tablespoons of milk into it and microwaved it for around 30 to 40 seconds. Mix it well to break all the lumps, and this is what is the first thing that's going to go in my blender. This is optional, so if you have some dark chocolate at home, you can add it in. Next, I'm going to add in cocoa powder. So if you're not using this dark chocolate, then you can add 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder to this recipe. Otherwise, since I'm using the chocolate, I'm just going to add half a tablespoon. Next, vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let's whisk all these ingredients together first. Into this, now I'm going to add 1.5 cup of cold milk. And also 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. Let's blend this together. To make this extra chilled, let's add in a few cubes of ice. And this is done. Let's pour it in the glasses. And now, I'm going to garnish these with a little bit of whipped cream, again optional. Sprinkle some chocolate chips. And done. On a hot summer afternoon, try this milkshake for yourself. Trust me, it's going to be worth it. Do comment below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.